Good afternoon, guys. Here again, the Guchor jigs. So, Guchor fishing jigs. So, 60 grams. Here's this one. So, the color. You like the color? Yeah. 60 grams. See the color? Black at the top in silver. Dotted silver here. This is quite heavy. Two hooks. So, two hooks. Big hooks. Quite good. Yeah, see that one? So, it's jigs. So, it's for jigging. It's quite good. Yeah, see, like, it's look like a fish. Okay, see that one.